Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So let's discuss about e-learning in Odoo 16. E-learning is also known as electronic learning, is a process of acquiring knowledge or skills through electronic tools over internet. The e-learning module in Odoo allows the organization to create and deliver content, assess the performance of the learners. So let's see how can we manage e-learning in Odoo 16. So let's see how can we create and manage courses in Odoo 16. For that, you can just get into the e-learning platform. And once you get into the platform, you would be able to see all the courses that are currently available. And you can also use the sorting functionalities such as filters and group by in order to sort the courses that are currently available in the Odoo platform. Currently, this courses is in its default view as Kanban, and you can also change the view into list, and that would let you to know the name of the course, the responsible person, the website, the course type, and enroll policy. Now let's see how to create a new course. So click on new button. So here we can create a new course. Let me create a new course with its title as computer science. Here you can provide the tags. Tags are used for filtration purposes, and this would let the users to know whether the course is basics, advanced, or intermediate, or what topic does that course belongs to. Now let me choose different tags. Now here we can also add different content. So here, in order to add the content, first we can add a section. So let me add the section as basics. So as you add the section, you would be able to see it will be visible in bold, and you can also add the content as well as certification for this. So let me click on add content. So this would let you to add different content. So we will be learning setting up of computer hardware through this course, and you can also add different tags that shows what all content is included in this. So we will be providing theory classes, exercise, and some colorful contents, as well as how to use the tools in order to set up a computer hardware. And you can also upload or create different types of document. The content type can be image or article, then it can be document. So either you can upload the document from your device, or you can also retrieve it from Google Drive. So if you are uploading from it from the Google Drive, just use the second option, and you can give the document link in this field. So let me change the content type as video, and this would let you to upload the content in video type. Here we can provide the link of the video, and you can also choose different content types such as quiz as well as certification. So here I'm going to choose the content type as document. So as you choose the content type as certification, you can also provide the certification over here. So currently we have two pre-configured certifications right now. So if you want to add that, you can use that, or you can create a new one. So let me choose document as the content type, and I will be uploading that content from my device. And you can see the responsible person for this is Michelle Edmond, and you can also set the duration of the content. So let me set the duration of the content, and we can also only specify the duration of content in hours. So let me choose it as 1 hour. And if you want to let the users to preview and download the content, you can just enable these fields. And after that, under description, you can give more information regarding, or you can just give a note for the users to view under the description tab. So let me provide the description as. In this video, we will be discussing about how to set up computer hardware. And under the additional resources, you can provide additional resources of this content. And yeah, just click on add a line so that you can add additional resources for this content. So either you can add the resources in link or other some file format. So if you want to upload the file, you can just choose a resource type as file, and here you can provide the name of the resource, and you can also upload the resource from your device, or you can also provide the link for this. And you can also give the resource type as link. So as you choose the resource type as link here, you need to provide the name of the resource as well as the link of the resource. Now I'm not providing any resources, that is additional resources for this course. So you can just remove all the resources from the resource lines. And under this, you can also provide quiz. So for quiz, we can provide some rewards, like if the user is attended or for one for the first try, he will be getting 10 as his reward. If it's second try, we can provide 7 as the reward. If it's third try, we can provide 5 as the reward. Or if it's fourth or more, you will be providing only 2 points for the user. Now let's provide a question under the questions. So just click on add a line, and here you can provide the question. Now click on add a line. You can add different answers. So if this answer is right, you can just click or enable is correct and add the comment over here. And you can also click add a line in order to add multiple answer. So currently we have added the question for this quiz, and you can just save and close this. So currently we haven't published this course in the website. So as we have published this course, the users would see the courses in the front end side. So let's go to the website. So as we haven't published this, you can see the toggle button is in red color. So when you click on the toggle button, that will be moving from red to green, and you can see currently this is published course, and you can also get the mobile view of the course. So if you want to preview the course in its mobile view, you can just click on this button, so that shows the mobile preview. And here you can also see the courses that with its tag, like the tags that we have given and the content that we have given is also shown here. But the content is unpublished. Now let's see how can we publish that content. So for that, you can just go to the backend side of the course, and here you would be able to see all the courses that are currently available, and you can also view the course that we have recently created. Now let me click on view courses. Sorry, we have to get into the backend side. So for that, you can just click on the title of the course, so that would let you to get into the backend side. So here you can see the content that we have given, the description and all. So let me just drag this up and place it here. And if you want to add any certifications, you can also add that over here. So currently we have one attendee, and the reviews are currently 0 out of 5, and no one has yet completed the courses, and we haven't published the contents also. So in order to publish the content, you can just go to the contents under the courses. So here you can view all the courses that are currently available in this window. So here you can see the course that we have recently created. In order to publish that, you can just get into the courses and click on go to website. And from here, we can directly publish this. And you can see all other details such as the tags that we have given, the name. And you can also view the course image from the website. Also, if the user want to add comments, and if you want to view the statistics, you can view that. Also, you would be able to see, which means the user would be able to see the question or the quiz that we have provided. So from here, from the course content, the user can easily attend the quiz. So let me click on the answer. So I'm providing the answer, and let's click on check your answer. So here you can see that currently the answer that I have provided is not correct. So let me reset that, and let me make a next try. So let me provide the answer as Charles Babbage. And when you click on check answer, you would be able to see amazing. We have gained, and we have completed that quiz. And you would be able to see an avatar over here. And you can also see the points that is gained. So if you want to end the course right now from here, you can just click on end course, or you can just discard this. and you will get a message that you have done with your quiz. And if you want to add the rating for this course content, you can also give a thumbs up or thumbs down. Now let's back to the backend side of the course. And let's see how can we add certification for the course and all other details. So under the course content, we have add the content, and under the description, we can also provide the description for the course. So as we have attended the quiz here, you can see the number of visits for this course is 1, and we have published one that, and you can see one has finished the course, and number of attendees would be shown here. Now let's go to the description, and here we can provide some notes for this course. Okay, so we are giving the description as read the instructions below before attending the course, and under the options we can also provide the responsible person, and if you want to restrict this course for a particular website, you can provide that website over here. And let me give all other details such as communication. Under the communication, we can allow reviews. So if you make this field allow, the users can give reviews, and here you can also share the template and channel share templates and new content notification, completion notifications and all. And you can also provide the access right for the users, like it can be public or on invitation. So if I'm setting the enroll policy as public, all the users or whoever visit the website could see the courses that on the website. And if I'm setting the enroll policy as on invitation, then if the organization or the institution let the users, they might give some invitation to join for the courses. So the person with the link only can join for the course. And if you want to upload groups here, you can upload some groups for their access, right? So that groups only can view that. Then here you can also auto enroll the groups. So those members are automatically added to this channel. And here you can also set the display type as training or documentation. So let me choose it training type, type as training. And you can also set the visibility. So if you set the visibility as open to all, this will be open to all the users. And if you are letting this to be members only, then only particular members, that is for the uploaded groups or for a certain members only, this course will be visible. Now under the Karma tab, we can add the rewards for the courses, like if the user review for the course, the user would be getting 5 points. If the user complete the course, he might be getting 10 points. And if we are setting, like we can also set the rewards for certain access, right? Like that can be 10 points. If the user adds some comments, he will be getting 3 points. And if he had vote and all, he might be getting points. So here we can edit this points and set it accordingly. Now let's back to the content tab again, and let's see how can we add a certification. So just click on add a certification. So here we can add the certification. So let me provide the name of the certification as computer certification. And here you can also add the tag for tags for filtration purposes. And here you can create, or you can see the content type is set to certificate. Now in order to add a question, just click on add a question, and here you can provide the question, as well as we can choose different question type. The question type can be multiple choices with multiple answers allowed at, and you would be able to see the difference that are visible in this window. And you can also set multiple lines text boxes, single line text box, numeric value, date time, and metrics. So here you can also provide the answers, description, and options also for that. So let's create a new question, like with multiple choice question. So let me provide the answer, give the choices over here. Okay, So we have provided different answers. Now you can choose the answer here, and you can also provide a score for the answer. So here we have a score field, and you can give the mark for that. So let me give 5 as a mark. And if you want to upload any file, you can just upload that. And the under description, you would be able to give the guidelines, instructions to help the attendee to answer. And after that, under the options, you can provide the answer. Like you can show the comment field as answer. So you can enable this field if you want to show and if you want to comment the message, you can provide that, or you can also make the comment as answer. So if you want to turn a comment into answer, you can just enable this field so that you can let the comments that to be answer if the comment is right. Now you can also give some constraints for this, like you can set that field as a mandatory answer so that the users cannot skip that question. So if I'm enabling that as mandatory field, I can also provide some error message. Like if the user is not attending that question, we can provide some error message. This question is compulsory. So let me remove this first, and you can also provide the layout. So if you want to set conditional display, you can enable this field, and if you want to trigger any other questions after this, you can provide the questions over there. And if you want to set a live session like question time limit, you can enable that, and you can provide the seconds to attend a question. So currently I'm not setting any live sessions. So let me save and close that. And here you can see now we have provided the question and question type. Everything is set, and you can just save and close this. So you can see the question that we have added is currently available here. And if you want to add any section for this, you can just click on add a section, and you can add the section. So here we have added a section, and let's keep this section right over the up of the question. So you can just make the question section first. And if you want to provide any options for this, you can provide that. Like we can set the question to be displayed on, like we can set the pagination, like the question can be in one page per question, or one page per section, or one page with all questions. So let me provide it as one page per question. So one of the page will be having only one question. And you can also set the display progress, like percentage left or numbers left. And you can also set the question selection, like it can be all questions or randomized per section. And if you want to get a back button, you can just enable this field. So you will get a back button. And you can also set the time and scoring. So if you want to set a survey time limit, you can set the survey time limit. As you have enabled this here, you can set the time limit for the survey. So let me provide it as 5 minutes. And here you can also provide the scoring, like it can be no scoring, or score with answering at the end, and scoring without answers at the end. So let me choose score with answers at the end. And you can also set the required percentage to pass. So let me set 40 as a required percentage to pass. And you will be able to see, is that a certification or not? And here you can also provide a certified email template. So once the attendee is passed, the attendee might be receiving an email template. And here you can also share the session. And if you want to provide a reward for quick answers, you can just enable this field. So that would let you to provide a reward for the quick answers. Now here you can also see participants, and this allow the access mode, like anyone with the link can attend the survey, as well as if you want to set a certain person to log in, thus you can just enable require login. And you can also limit the attempt of the quiz or exam. So if you want to limit, you can also set the limit that a user can attend the quiz or exam. So currently I'm not setting any limit and all. So anyone with the link can access the question. And you can also set some description for this. So this following survey would let you to know your skill in computer. And you can also set an end message. Now let me save and close this. So we have set everything right now. Now you can just close this content. So we have added different contents and all. Now let's see how can we publish this course. So we haven't published this course. So in order to publish this, go to the website. Now let's see how a user can review for the course. And for that, you can just go to the website of the course, which means the front end side of the course. And here we have an option to add the review. So currently the user can add the review. You can just click on add review, and here we can also add stars or rating for the course. So when you click on add review, here the user would able to add some rating, like it can be 5 star, 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, anything. And here the user also can comment for the course. So here let me provide, yeah, we have added the comment. So click on send so that that comment will be added here, and the user can view his review from the review tab. So currently here the user would be able to view the comment that we have he has provided with the details. So here you can see all other details, and you can also see that the user is currently enrolled for this, and the last updated and the completion hour, as well as the members also. Now, if you want to see all the courses that you have created, just go to the courses, and under the courses, you can see all the courses that we have created. And you can also view all the contents that have created under the contents of the courses. So you would be able to see all the contents right now from here. So if you want to add a new content separately, you can just click on new button. That would lead you to create new content. So this shows all the content that we have created and integrated with the courses. And if you want to see the certifications that are created, you can see all the certifications right now here with the questions that in the certification, as well as the duration, registered, completion certifications, and the courses. And we can also share the certification. We can also take a survey for the certification, and we can also view the result. Okay, now let's discuss about the configuration settings. So if you want to make this course as a paid course, you can just enable this field. So this would allow you to sell and access to your courses on the website and track the revenues. And if you want to create a forum, like create a community and that makes the attendees to answer each other and make other some other questions to discuss about, and that would also shows whether the course is good or bad, and also makes the organization make aware of how to improve their courses. So let me save that, and let's go to the courses web from the website. Let me go to the courses that we have created, and you can choose the course that we have created. So let me drag down, and you would be able to see the course. So if you want to view the course from the web front end side, you can just click on view courses, and you can see when you drag down, you would be able to see currently the course is completed. And here you also have to change the course as payment type. So let me choose a course type from the backend, and under the options you can change the enroll policy based on payment. Now let me save this, and yeah, here you can also add the product. Here you can just add the product, and let me get into the internal link of the product. So here you would be able to see the course access as the product name, and the product type will be set as course, and the invoicing policy will be prepaid or fixed. And you can see the sales price, as well as we have added the product category as all saleable courses. So you need to set certain details such as sales price, cost, and all. Now let's back, and you can just go to the website. So as you choose the invoicing policy as payment, you would be able to see actually here you can see mission admin has already enrolled the courses, so he cannot again purchase that. So if you want to see how the payment mode works, just log out from this and log in as other user. So let me log in as a demo, and let's go to the e-learning module, and you can choose the course that we have created. So when you click on view courses, you would be able to see the payment mode and the price of the course. And if the user want to add this or buy this, just click on add to cart. So that can be add to the cart and buy the course. And if the user want to add the content or any other sessions, he can add that. And he can also make or add review. So if Mark Demo want to add review, just click on add that and provide the rating and click on send, so that the review will be added and the count of the review will be upgraded, and you would be able to see all the reviews over here. And yeah, let's back to the courses. And if the other user want to buy this, he can proceed with his checkout, and that would enable to buy the product. So if he want to say his payment details, he can save that and click on pay now. This would allow you to make the payment. Now let me log out from Markdemo and log in as machine admin. And when you go to the e-learning module, as we have enabled the forum from the configuration settings, you would be able to see the forum. So the users can manage with the forum, like they can create a community and they can discuss the questions and answers from the forum. So let me go to the forum, and here you can see the forums that is already created by Odoo with its forum name, the websites and course, visibility, and the post and views. So we can also use sorting functionalities for the forum, such as filters and group by. So let's see how to create a new forum. So in order to create a new forum, just click on new button, and this would allow you to create a new forum. So let me provide the name of the forum as help, and you can choose the forum mode as question or discussion. So if you want to restrict this forum for a particular website, you can enable or set this forum to be in a particular website. So currently I'm keeping that field as null. So you can use this forum for any of the website, and you have certain tabs such as options, karma gains, karma related rights, and all. So under the options, you can set the default sorting, like last updated or recent updated or newest or most voted and all. So let me choose it as most voted or answered one. And you can also set the privacy policy as public or signed users only can make the forums, or some users only can give the forum. If you want to provide any description that to be visible in the website, you can provide it here. And you can also set the privacy over here. So I'm letting the privacy as public, so any users can get into the forum and make changes or create questions or discussions. Under the karma gains, you can also give asking a question, or if a user asks a question, he gets 2 points. If a user uh, voted for a question, he might be getting 5 points. If the question downvoted, he might be getting -2 points. If the upvoted question is an answer, we can reward him as 10 points. If it's down voted answer, then we can give him -2. And if the answer is accepting, acceptable answer, we can provide 2 points. And if the answer is completely accepted, you can provide 15 points. Also, you can provide 100 as for flagged one. And we can also set karma related rights, like um, different rights can be given here. So you can see different fields are available under this karma related rights. Now let me save this. So when you go to the forums, you would be able to see the forum that you have created. So here we can see all the forums that um, created by Odoo. So when you get into the internal link here, to the forum, you can provide the new topic by clicking on new post, and here you can give the question. So here, let me provide the question, and under this you can also provide the description. So here under the description you can provide the answer, and you can also set some tags for filtration purposes. And if you want to pause this, just click on pause your question, so that that question will be paused. And here you will be getting a wizard for posting the forum. Now you can see the tags that we have given and the date of the forum. And if you want to give any answers for this, you can give that, as well as you can also give a comment for this forum. Now let's log out from Michelle Admin and log in as Mark Demo, and choose the module. And you can also choose a course that we have created. And here under forum, you would be able to see the post that's created by Michelle Admin, and the user Mark Demo can either upload this or download this, and he can also give answer. So you can see this is posted by Michelle Admin, and if you want to provide the answer, you can provide the answer by choosing the answer or tag. So when you click on this question, you would be able to give an answer. So here you can provide the answer. So let me provide it as electronic as the answer, and you can just post your answer. You can also provide comments, and that comments also can be turned into answers. So let me click on comment, and here you can also provide comment. So let me provide computer device as the comment. So you can just pause that comment. Now, if you want to see the user who has posted the comment or the question cannot upvote or downvote. Now let's back to the user Michelle Admin and choose the e-learning module, and under the forum you can see post, and you would be able to see all the posts that we have created, and you can see the status, title, and SEO optimization, website, and all. Now when you go to the forum, Michelle Admin Q would able to view the forum that we have created. So for that you can just get into the front end side of the course and click on forum. This would allow you to view the forum that we have created. So here you can see one answer is posted, and it has 5 views, and when you click on answer, you would be able to see who has answered for that question. And you can also convert a comment into answer if that's an answer. So currently this is not an answer. So if you want to turn a comment into answer, you can just click on that 3 dot and click as convert as answer. So that will be considered as answer. And now here you can also get the post of Michelle Admin only. And if you want to get favorites of Michelle Admin, choose that option. So currently he don't have any favorites, and you can also view the followed post of a user, followed tags. And you can also see the moderation tools such as to validate and flagged one. Okay. Now, let's discuss about the course group and course content tags. So, when you get into the course groups, you would be able to create different course group. That is, like, you can provide the group name and menu entry and tags. So, you can generate different course groups. So, that would allow you to check the tags, like to which category does that course belongs to, or what is the level of the course and all. So if you want to create a new one, you can just uh, click on new button. So here you can provide the level, and here you can also give the tag um like basics. Okay, now you can save that, and you can also create content tags. So here we can add content tags, that is for filtration purpose of the content. Okay, now let me save this. Now you can also get all the reportings of the courses. So when you go to the reporting tab, you would be able to see all the reports of courses, contents, revenues that you gain from a course, and the attendees, reviews, and quizzes. So let me choose the reporting of courses, and here you can see we have different views such as list view, graph view, and pivot view. And currently these are the courses that are published in the website. And if you want to see the graph view, just toggle into the graph view, and this would allow you to view the graphs of each of the courses. And you can also get the measures of different courses, like based on articles, documents, durations, and infographics, or number of certifications that has provided, or number of contents, as well as number of quizzes that is attended by a user, and rating last value videos, as well as the visits, votes, and count of a course. Now when you back to the content, you would be able to see the contents with different courses, and you can also filter it based on different measures, like public views, website views, as well as total views, the users who all dislike the courses, the duration of the courses and likes, number of articles that we have used in the course, number of certification that has provided for the course, and number of documents, number of images that used in a course, as well as the number of quizzes, and number of videos, as well as the total slides that we have used in a course. And you can also get the report of the revenues. Some of the courses might be providing for free, and some will be paid courses. So when you go to the measures, you can get the courses that is based on percentage of discount, and discount amount, as well as gross weight, quantity that is delivered, that quantity that is invoiced, as well as the quantity ordered by the um, user, the quantity that is delivered to the user, and quantity that is invoiced to the user. And you can also view the total quantity of revenue, and you can also get untaxed amount invoiced, and untaxed amount that to invoice for a course, and untaxed total and volume, as well as count of the revenue of a e-learning course. And you would be also get the report of the attendees. So here we have different views for the attendees with its course name, responsible person, email, enrolled on, and which means the enroll date, as well as last action trigger date, and the percentage that is to check the progress of the attendees, as well as you can get the view as Kanban also. So if you want to create a new attendee, it is possible to create a new attendee. By clicking on new button, you would be able to create a new attendee. So in this field, you can provide the channel name, that is the course name, and you can also provide the percentage of completion to check the progress of the attendee, as well as you can also choose a partner. So this would let you to know who is the attendee of the course. And if the course is completed, you can just enable the field that is completed. And if you want to set completed slides, you can set the number of slides that to complete these attendees. Now let's see the reports of reviews. So here we can see the reviews with different views such as scan, pan, graph, and pivot view as well as list view. So when you back to the graph view, we can filter the reviews based on different measures such as rating value or count. You can also insert this into the spreadsheet, and you can also get the bar chart of the review and line chart, pie chart, as well as stacked and cumulative view. And you can also get the ascending and descending review, reports of the review. And finally, you have quizzes, and we can either download all the quizzes with its question name, content, and attempt count, attempts average, and then quantity. You can also use the sorting functionalities such as filters and group by, which can be default or custom filters. And you can also set the quiz into favorites. And we have different views such as list, graph, and pivot view. And you can also use different measures for filtering of these quizzes reports such as sequence and count. Last but not the least, now let's see how can we answer for the quiz that we have previously created. For that, just go to the courses and you can click on view courses. That will let you to go to the front end side of the course, and here you can see a content of computer certification. Just click on that. So here we can see, as we have set a description for the content, you can view that in this window, and we have set the time limit as 5 minutes. And if you want to start the certification, just click on start certification. So as we have given one question, you can see the time is counting down. So within this time limit, we have to attend the exam, and you can see different option. So let me choose the answer from this. We have provided the question as multiple choice question. So let me choose the answer and click on submit. So upon submitting, you would be able to see we have completed the survey, and as we have passed for the exam, we can download the certificate, and you would be also able to see the overall performance of your session, as well as uh, overall performance with the correct answer and quiz and all other details. And if you want to view the certification, you can view that. And if you want to go back to the courses, just click on go back so that you can again go back to the courses. So let's see the certification of course in PDF format. So this is the certification that is gained by the visual admin. Odoo provides a comprehensive solution for creating, delivering, and managing online courses. So hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome.